Esperti lokali u barranin li tlaqgħu f'Malta qegħdin ibassru aktar attakki ċibernetiċi fi sfond ta' kriminali li operaw f'dan il-qasam li qegħdin iżidu t-teddid fuq l-operat ta' entitajiet governattivi u negozji privati. Il-konferenza organizzata mill-kumpanija Frontinet illi toffri soluzzjonijiet teknoloġiċi kontra din l-attività kriminali laqgħet għexieren ta' rappreżentanti minn entitajiet pubbliċi u privati fejn iddiskutew kif teknoloġija ġdida tista' tkun mezz ta' sigurtà fl-operat tagħhom kontra attakki fuq l-internet.
We decided to do this event in Malta because we see that Malta is growing in terms of cybersecurity requests, and it's important to us for this presence because we are here since years, but it was fundamental for us to have the first show and share our strategy and our business priorities.
Din iż-żieda fl-attakki ċibernetiċi għanqlet aktar kuxjenza biex tittieħed azzjoni li tilqa' minn qabel lil kwalunkwe teddid fis-setturi tat-teknoloġija tal-informazzjoni.
The good thing is we've seen an increased awareness. So not only the regulation has made it much easier for companies to go at board level and say, well, this is something we really need to invest in. But beyond that, it's easier to say, you know what, we need to start building out proper cybersecurity. So industries where traditionally would be a bit lax when it comes to these regulations are more and more trying to find the right way in to properly protect their organizations moving forward. And we'll continue to see that trend.
Interessanti wkoll kif kumpaniji lokali diġà qed jisfruttaw l-intelligenza artifiċjali biex jidentifikaw minn qabel attakki ċibernetiċi.
I would say there's a lot of benefits with the advent of AI. But one of the risks is that the offensive side, so the cyber criminals, are also using AI to get more sophisticated with their attacks. So it is even more important for the defensive companies like Fortinet and other security vendors and companies to make best use of AI to actually countermeasure those attacks.
Kif kriminali qed jisfruttaw l-intelligenza artifiċjali biex jiżviluppaw attakki aktar sofistikati, dan qed joħloq sfidi ħalli sistemi ġodda ta' sigurtà joffru qafas aktar b'saħħtu kontra dawn l-attakki kif kien diskuss fil-konferenza organizzata minn Frontinet.